Start by launching the Santander mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure it's the latest version from your app store. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password, or use biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint if already set up. Step 3. Go to Settings or Security. Once inside, tap the menu or gear icon, then find the Security or Santander Key option, depending on your version of the app. Step 4. Start activation process. Tap on Activate Santander Key. The app may explain what Santander Key is, a secure way to authorize your online banking operations. Step 5. Confirm identity. You'll be asked to verify your identity with a code sent via SMS or email, or you may need to enter your signature key or security number. Step 6. Set a PIN or enable biometrics. Now you'll be prompted to create a Santander Key PIN. You can also enable fingerprint or Face ID for easier use. Step 7. Activation complete. Once confirmed, you'll see a message saying Santander Key is now active. You can now use it to approve logins, transactions, and other secure actions. Important tips. Never share your Santander Key PIN with anyone. If you change phones, you'll need to activate it again on the new device. And that's it. You've successfully activated Santander Key in the app. Safe, fast, and secure. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more mobile banking tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.